Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video, we will discuss about models of plasma membrane. Okay, there are four models of plasma membrane. Model of plasma membrane. Okay, there are four models of plasma membrane. First one is lipoidal. Lipoidal model, and second is trilamellar model. Okay, and third one is unit membrane model. Okay, unit membrane model, and fourth one is fluid mosaic model. Okay, this one is models of plasma membrane. That first one is lipoidal model, second one is trilamellar model, and third one is unit membrane model, and last one is fluid mosaic model. Okay, so let's see first, that is lipoidal model. Lipoidal model. Okay, lipoidal model. Let's discuss about lipoidal model. So first point is that lipoidal model was given by Overton in 1902. Okay, so first model is lipoidal model, and it was given by Overton in 1902. Okay, and our next point is that Overton suggest plasma membrane only made up one layer, or you can also say single layer of lipid and hence permeable in nature. And okay, Overton suggested that plasma membrane is Overton suggested that plasma membrane only made up of one layer, or you can also say single layer of lipid, and hence permeable in nature. Hence plasma membrane is permeable in nature. This 2 point is all about lipoidal model. That lipoidal model was given by Overton in 1902. Okay, Overton in 1902. Overton suggested that plasma membrane only made one layer, or you can also say single layer of lipid. Only single layer of lipid. Plasma membrane is made up of only single layer of lipid. Okay, and hence that's why it is permeable in nature. Okay, this thing all about a lipoidal model. Now next model is that trilamellar model. We have discussed about lipoidal model, and our next model is that trilamellar model. Okay, let's discuss about the trilamellar model. Second one is that trilamellar model. Okay, trilamellar model. This one is our second model of plasma membrane. Okay, it one is trilamellar model, or you can also say sandwich model. Or it is also known as known as sandwich model. Sandwich model. Okay, trilamellar model is also known as sandwich. It is also known as sandwich. Sandwich model. Okay, trilamellar model is also known as sandwich model. And now our second point is that trilamellar model was given by Davison and Daniel in 1935. Okay, and trilamellar model was given by Davison and Danley in 1935. Okay, this model was given by Davison and Danley. Okay, in 1935. Now our next point is that according to this model, according to this model, the plasma, according to this membrane, according to this model, the plasma membrane is made up of three layers. Okay. According to this model, according to trial-lamellar model, the plasma membrane is made up of three layers. Okay. And now three layers in which a biomolecular layer of lipid, which sandwiched between two single layers of protein. Okay. According to trilamellar model, plasma membrane is made up of three layers. Okay. According to trilamellar model, plasma membrane is made up of three layers, in which biomolecular layer of lipid is sandwiched between two single layer of protein. Okay, like this. This one is the layer of biomolecular layer of and this one is a biomolecular layer. Okay, and this biomolecular layer is sandwiched between two single layer of protein. Okay, and here this one is the layer of protein. Okay, this type of a structure according to trilamellar model. Okay. Okay, like this one is the structure of plasma membrane, and I hope you understand this point. Now move to our next point. According to this model, each protein, according to this model, each protein layer is 20 angstrom. It's 20 angstrom thick and bilayer of bilayer of phospholipid is 35 angstrom thick. Okay, thus its total thickness is 75 angstrom. Okay, 25 angstrom. PLLP. It means protein. STRU structure. PLLP structure. Protein, lipid, protein. Okay, structure. And 75 angstrom thickness, 75 to 100 angstrom average. Okay. According to this model, each protein layer is 20 angstrom thick. Protein layer is 20 angstrom thick, and bilayer of phospholipid is 35 angstrom thick. Okay, thus total thickness of plasma membrane is 75 angstrom, and it is structure like PLLP. This protein, lipid, protein. Okay, that is protein, lipid, protein in a structure, and 75 angstrom to 100 angstrom thickness of plasma membrane. This is average thickness of plasma membrane. Okay, now move to our next point. Now next point is that phospholipid molecule called as emphatic molecule due to presence of two type of parts hydrophilic head, and hydrophobic tail. Okay, phospholipid molecule called amphibitic because molecule due to presence of two type of part. First one is hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail. Okay, so I hope you understand this point. Now move to our next point. Now next point is hydrophilic head of the phospholipid binds with protein layer by hydrogen and ionic bonds. Hydrophobic head of phospholipid binds with protein layer by hydrogen and ionic bonds. Okay, the head of phospholipid, that is hydrophilic, binds with protein layer by hydrogen and ionic bonds. Okay, and now our last point is that hydrophobic tail of phospholipid attached to each other by van der Waal force. Okay, and the hydrophobic tails of phospholipid attached to each other by van der Waal force. Okay, van der Waal force means distance dependent interaction between atom or molecule. Okay, and now let's see the figure of trilamellar model. Okay, let's see. This one is the tail. Okay, and This one is the protein layer. Okay. This red one is what? Protein. Okay. And the biomolecular layer of phospholipid. Is 35 angstrom. Okay. And now this one is protein. Okay. Thickness about 20 angstrom. Okay. This red one is also protein. And this one is polar hydrophilic head. And this one is polar hydrophobic head. Okay. And this is non-polar hydrophobic tail. Okay. Now here you can see the figure of plasma membrane according to trilamellar model. Okay. So I hope you understand this all thing that about lipoidal model and about the trilamellar model. Okay. So in next video we will discuss the next one, that is unit membrane model. Okay. So unit membrane model, and in next video we will discuss both models. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.